Hi guys, this is Adil. Hope you're doing good. Thanks once again for subscribing to Aries TV. And if you've not already done so, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Guys, this video is on computer science, and in this video I'm going to tell you about the benefits of computer science. So let's start. First, you might be wondering on what is the essence of computer science, or why do we need computer scientists? As you all know, that technology is a part of our future, and it's up to people like you to decide how it will impact and shape our world. Computer science is a good career choice for someone who wants to change the world. In other words, if you're looking to leverage your love for technology to make a difference, then rest assured. A computer science professional can develop the next generation of gadgets or software programmers, which will improve the lives of millions of people. So that is the reason why we need computer scientists, to make the world a better place. Now let's discuss the benefits of computer science. Number one, solve everyday problems. Computer science is a great way to approach a problem that may be difficult to solve. Computer scientists are taught how to look at complicated problems in a less complicated way. They can easily design applications that address societal issues, conventional learning, climate change, and more. Number two, empowering people. When tools solve business or work-related problems are available to everyone, it can level the playing field. For example, finding clients can be an expensive endeavor, but through computer science, you can determine your work hours or find the clients for your business. Number three, accelerating healthcare. Healthcare tends to be a pretty high priority when you consider how to improve people's lives. Genomics and personalized medicine are an excellent example of how computer science-driven technologies are accelerating healthcare progress. The genome sequencing process used to cost tens of billions of dollars to complete, but machine learning techniques and improved computing have dropped the cost substantially. Guys, from here onwards, I'm going to talk about the benefits of computer science in furthering education and expanding communication, plus predicting natural calamities and catastrophes. But before that, I would like you to subscribe and like this video so that more and more people would be able to see this video. Number four, furthering education. Can you imagine modern education without computer software or internet? Whether you are talking to anybody, taking a class online, researching for a paper, or sharing work via the cloud, computer science pros have helped make this possible. E-learning platforms and applications give students new tools to problem solve and study, which has changed the academic world. The ability to take classes online is also a huge benefit for the world, as it creates access to education for students whose locations, ability, finances were a barrier. Number five, expanding communication. Computer science has made the whole world a very small place, available at your fingertips now. Video calling and chatting apps, and even the applications that allow you to share documents and photos with someone else long distance have completely revolutionized the workforce. Predicting and avoiding catastrophes. Applying computer science to prediction can have a huge impact on the world. With computer science tools, we can predict everything from an incoming flood to an outbreak pattern of a pathogen. In that way, some of the most life-saving work that happens in our world relies on computer scientists. Computer science is even in action when predicting the trajectory of dangerous comets near our planet. So guys, this was it from me today on computer science. Thank you for listening to this video. Subscribe if you want to see the coming videos. So until next time, this channel is to build up on your knowledge, keep crushing it, and we will meet soon. Bye bye.